Hi everyone! Today we will calculate this product, the fourth root of 8 times square root of 2. Now, first step, we will write 8 as 2 to the power of 3. So that means 2 to the power of 3 times square root of 2. Now, in order to multiply those two radicals, they must have the same index here. So I will multiply the index of the second radicals by 2 and as well the exponents of the power by 2. At the moment the exponents of the radicand is 1. That means I will multiply 1 by 2 and we will get fourth root of 2 to the power of 3 times fourth root of 2 to the power of 2. Now, given we have the product of two radicals with the same exponents, we can write the radicands under the same radical symbol. That means I will write fourth root of 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2. Okay, now we have the product of two powers with the same base. And you should know that you can add the exponents. That means you will write back the base and add the exponents. So, fourth root of 2 to the power of 3 plus 2. And 3 plus 2 is 5. So we have the fourth root of 2 to the power of 5. Now, in order to take this 2 to the power of 5 here, we need to divide the exponent of the power by the index of the radical. So we will do this. We will do this operation. 5 divided by 4 is equal to 1 and the rest is 1. So I will use this value here as exponents of 2 outside the radical, and this one here is exponents of 2 inside the radical. That means now it will be clear. Now I'll write here 2 and 2, and now I have to add the exponents. So 1 goes here, the yellow one goes here, and the green one goes here. So the solution is 2 to the power 2 times the fourth root of 2, and this is the solution we were looking for. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, just subscribe to the channel. Thanks, bye!